Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Make sure your account, platform, and game are updated to the latest patch. Once done, check you meet level and skill point requirements and have the necessary weapons or gear unlocked. Next, prioritize collecting 1 to 2 specialization items and about 10 to 20 crafting materials. These let you begin the specialization path immediately. Finally, visit the appropriate vendor or terminal in-game and open the specialization menu to begin the first unlock step. Once you've started, focus on the middle steps. Work through the specialization tree by unlocking the core node, then the 2 upgrade nodes that lead to the signature skill. To progress each node, complete the required missions, bounties, or control points that grant specialization experience. Prioritize those that give the biggest incremental gains. Make sure to upgrade relevant gear mods and allocate skill points into supporting talents so node requirements are satisfied. Keep switching to activities that maximize node progress until the signature skill unlocks. Finish by claiming and equipping the signature skill, then immediately test it in a safe activity like a mission or stronghold to confirm functionality. Once confirmed, recalibrate mods and adjust talents to complement the specialization's strengths. Make small iterative changes and retest. If progress stalls or a node won't unlock, first verify you actually met every prerequisite, then try clearing local cache and resynchronizing your account. As a last resort, check vendor inventory or repurchase a missing node item to force the unlock pathway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.